What's up, guys? Stop screwing around. It's Saturday. Yep. I was tempted to go over those railroad tracks. You have no idea. Sorry I didn't put a video up. I got angry. My new editing software, I definitely edited the entire video. I was like done scrubbing through the video, doing all my final checks to make sure it's how I wanted it. The thing crashed and I lost all my work. And because it's not like my Mac was, like, it didn't save, so I lost everything. So yeah, lesson learned the hard way. And that was that little adventure. I guess I'm probably supposed to be at my house right about now. I don't know. The mover people wanted to do a survey to see how much shit I really have. And they were like, yeah, Saturday at 6. I was like, no. I was like, you guys can do that Monday through Friday. I was like, weekends are mine, bro. Oh, you didn't notice I have new bars. Feels a lot better now that I'm riding with straight bars, but at the same point in time, I really don't like the color. Had I thought about it a little bit, I wouldn't have picked this red. But I'm also not going to spend another $80 on a set of bars. So, that leaves us in quite a little predicament. Ah, didn't make it. How's it going? Burnout! Wanted to do a quick walk around on my bike before I accidentally mess up my beautiful bike again. So from the crash, I changed out my sliders. I have 50 stunt all the way around now, front and rear, and then I have the case savers. That got messed up in the wreck, so you can actually see I got a little rash right there because it burned completely through that. And then I got new ones, and then the first thing I did was took a Dremel and cut a hole in it so my 50 stunt pegs could fit in there, and then I could have that. See, the case savers did their job. I went kind of silly and polished this, so that's why this is shiny, because when I got it, it was real dull, and it was definitely off like an E model or an S that had been riding off-road a lot. So I started polishing and then went silly with it, so I'll knock these off one day and polish this up and make it look nice. Since the taillight wasn't in good shape, I put the integrated 12 o'clock labs turn signals in it. Because my gloves got destroyed, these are my new Alpine Stars GPXs. As before I had SPXs. These are full leather. I don't know, they are definitely different. They're you don't have quite as much dexterity in them, but the other thing that kind of bothered me is the SPXs were all carbon fiber, but they're all going to the TPU plastic in them. But these are full leather, whereas the SPX wasn't. So I don't know. I can still clutch wheelies and have fairly good dexterity on them. So they're alright. They definitely fit different. I almost kind of wish I would have got a size down because they're a little bit bigger, but they still fit my hand really good. They're nice gloves. And what else? I got my new pants. These are the cheaper Kevlar until Jake the Garden Snake gets in the ones I like, the old ones that ripped. I'll be having those. So yep, that's just a little update of my bike. Dude, the shits went from like probably a bad idea to keep riding in this shit to like, yeah, maybe I should go home. This shit is a straight storm. What's up? Oh yeah, I'm not that far from home. I'm good. Oh, I'm fine. Trust me. Holy shit! Rain, go away! I literally feel like I'm being raped. Oh gosh. Oh man. Cigarettes are drenched. I just felt the water go down to my underwear. Oh shit. Oh dude, I'm soaked. Try to stay in this dude's tracks. Not really a whole lot I can do about it now. I'm just kind of out in it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like,